Hello guys, today I'm going to take you through how to download and install your CapCut PC software for editing purposes. So we're going to hop on to Google Chrome. I already have my Google Chrome open, so let me just open, then search for CapCut, download for PC. And nice. So just come here. This is the CapCut desktop. Yeah, this is the original one. Then we're going to take your video to the next level, experience the full, yeah. So this is what you want. So we're going to click on download. And double click on the CapCut setup x.exe file so that you can complete the installation. So wait for it. So it's downloading the CapCut desktop installer so that you can get the CapCut software for your PC. This is the latest version. So you're gonna give it time. Let's give it time. 3%. So as you can see, the setup has been complete. Now, once you come to the CapCut app, you're going to find an interface like this. So what you're going to do if you want to start a project, click on New Project. And voila, you have your video editor working now. You can just import some videos and audios and also some photos, GIFs and emojis so that you can make your video more interesting. So click like and subscribe and share for more. Okay, thank you so much.